Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson, and welcome to 728 West 14th in North Vancouver. This beautiful award-winning complex was originally built in 2008, so it's considered a newer unit, around approximately 10 years. Located literally minutes away from shopping, restaurants, this very central location has many features in the area that you would appreciate. For example, Cypress, Grouse, Seymour Mountains for snowboarding, skiing. It's literally right here. It's pretty cool. We're also about a 5-minute drive away from the Quay, which has a lot of really neat stuff to check out. Come on inside. Welcome inside. This recently renovated townhome is featured with 2 levels instead of the typical 3, which is really nice. The full renovation was done less than a year ago. Check out the first room here. Ample amounts of storage. There's storage everywhere in this place. It goes all the way down to the back. Huge, bright. It's got its own very large private deck, which is very rare. Another bathroom. And check this out. This entire area is one massive closet. This south-facing unit gets a lot of light in the daytime. There's a complex being built across the street, which when it's done, will actually increase the value of the property as well. Check out the overall layout. This is definitely a townhome for the entertainer. Check out this massive rooftop patio. Full dining set, private fireplace, lots of space for ample entertainment. One of my favorite features, sunsets. I hope you enjoyed the video tour. Join us this weekend, Saturday, March 10th from noon until 2 for an open house, and Sunday, March 11th from 2 to 4 p.m. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.